What is going on? It is Sonic Gamer 277 here with 3 packs of Evolutions. I went to a league today and I came in first, 3-0. So first off, we're going to start with this Venusaur pack. And after these 3 packs, there will also be a deck profile within the same video. So lucky you guys. And not so lucky me who forgot to pack some sleeves. We're going to take that out of view. So you guys don't know what code card it was. We got ourselves a Tangela, Staryu, Fighting Energy, Magikarp, Onix, Revive, Misty's Determination, Secret Rare Executor. Stop it, dog. And that's my second one of these. Reverse Holo is a Charmeleon and a Mewtwo. Psychic Attack is really good, actually. Stock does 20 more damage for each energy attached to your opponent's active Pokemon. Attack is really strong. Next up, we got one pack of Charizard. Yes, dog, I'll feed you in a minute. Hang on, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back now with this pack of Charizard. And no interrupting dog, so I grounded him. That's a good boy. He's now chewing on something. I think it's a bone. We got Onix, Staryu, Doduo, I almost freaked out, Weedle, Machop, Sewer Potion, Nidorino, Professor Oak's Hint, Reverse Hollow Maintenance, and Eradicate, which is also not bad with that Shadow Bite and Crunch attack. Next up here, we are on to our last pack for this opening of Evolutions, and it's a pack of Blastoise. One, two, three. 1 and 2. And I think you guys should know what that is because I just spoiled it. But we got a Nidoran, Machop, Growlithe, Pika Pika, Psychic Energy, Revive, Coughing, Switch, Reverse Holo Professor Oaks, and Magneton Hollow. So I guess I'll just showcase all the decent cards we got out of this. Hang on. I need to go rummage through everything and find all the good stuff. What are you? Which card are you? You're that thing. Where's this? There's that. So out of this, we pulled ourselves a Secret Rare Executor, Holo Magneton, Mewtwo, and Eradicate. But that is not all, guys. I will be right back. Alright, so we are back now with a Pokemon TCG deck profile. Because I went 3-0 at League today and won those packs, I thought I'd show you guys the deck that I played today. So it starts off with 4 copies of Xerneas. Yes, we are running 4 copies of this card now. The attack, Geomancy is just too good. That's it. Next up, we are running 3 copies of Gardevoir EX. Just really solid. You should know what this does by now. Then we run 2 copies of the Mega with Brilliant Arrow, and 1 copy of the Mega with the Spare for the Mega Mewtwo matchup. Then we just run 1 Shaman EX and 1 Hoopa EX for setup. Alright, so that's it for the Pokemon. Next up, for the supporters, we run 4 copies of Professor Sycamore, 3 copies of N. Next up, we run a bunch of one-off supporters. Here we run 1 Hex Maniac, 1 Lysander, 1 Pokemon Ranger, and 1 Olympia. I guess I could go over what happened in my matchup today. Round 1, I fought a Yon Mega deck. That went pretty well for me. I kind of just swept. Round 2, I fought a Phytolim Lucario deck, which went pretty well. Round 3, I fought actually against my good friend, Alpha TCG. Check him out, playing his Dark Mew box. Next over there, we want 4 copies of VS Seeker. We want 4 copies of Ultra Ball. 4 copies of Max Elixir, which actually didn't miss. I don't think I missed any today. I was really good on Max Elixirs today. 4 copies of Trainer's Mail. Really heavy counts of these cards, finally. 2 copies of Mega Turbo, even the miscut ones. You guys can see really funny miscut. But 2 copies of that card. And 1 copy of Super Rod. And then I guess we have tools, which were just simply 3 Gardevoir Spirit Link, and the stadiums, which were pretty simply as well 3 Fairy Garden. VS Seeker, why you gotta be the only guy to knock it out of the way, dude? Why you gotta ruin everything? And the deck finishes off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11, 12 copies of Fairy Energy. That's it. This is why I was hitting my max elixir so consistently. Everything just went well today. Anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Just remember, where did I put the cards? Just remember that if you watch these videos, you too can pull this. Yeah, that's what I should have done. That didn't work. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys all next time. But you guys can also have good pulls. So, till next time, hope you guys all have good pulls. And bye!